Unit 1, 2, and 3, Touch 4, Speaking as in Math Oral Production. Video número 1, Comparing My Family, presentado por Ineida Rocío Llanes Chacón, Universidad Abierta de Distancia, UNAD, Cimitarra Santander, 25 de octubre 2019. Regards, good morning dears, colleagues, and tutor. It is a pleasure to be with you presenting this activity that we will learn much more. Video 1, Comparing My Family. Hello tutor and parents, I will tell about my family. These beautiful and good-aged children are my children. The boy is Dylan Hernandez. He is 11 years old. He is very intelligent, and as you can see in the photo, he is identical to his father in terms of his nose, cheeks, light, hair, and some other physical aspects. But his eyes are mine as far as the way of being is very similar to mine. His chubby hoods like my husband William Hernandez. My husband is 37 years old and he is very loving and respectful man. This Laura Hernandez, she is years old. She is very similar to me in the height and she is much thinner than her brother. She is a very tender girl. She had the same age of my honey color. Her eyelashes are the same as her dad, and her skin color eyelash his grandmother. Her name is Rosa Chacon. She is 73 years old. Despite her, I is very affectionate and fond. Thank you. Goodbye.